Alright, you are welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to add notification buttons to your video. Alright, maybe if you are creating a video for Facebook or for YouTube, for Instagram, and you want to add the notification buttons that will automatically prompt people to follow your page or to like your video or to share your videos or subscribe without you saying it with your mouth. All right, it will automatically pop out and they will follow the instruction. All right, so that is what you are going to be learning. So what we are going to be using is CapCut. All right, look at CapCut. So you can go to your Apple Store or Play Store to install the app. So I'll click it open. So when it open, what I want to do is to select the video. Just go to this place. If you want to select, all right, come to this place and select a video. So what I want to do now is just to click on this video. I've selected this video. This is the video I want to use. But if you are new, you can just click on this new project and then it will take you to a file. You select the video you want to use. Is that okay? So let's continue. So I'll click on this video that I want to use. All right, this is the video I want to use. Is that okay? This is my video. So let me play so that you can see. So you're welcome to this video. My name is Daniel Michael, the convener of Rich Skills Academy. And in this video, I am going to be teaching you how to clone yourself. All right, so right now, what I want to do, this video is 2.28 minutes. Is that okay? 2 minutes, 28 seconds. All right, so there are several ways, 2 ways basically you can use, you can add all of this. Is that okay? But the first way I'm going to use is I'm going to be using green screen. All right, if you are used to watching my video, you are going to notice there's a particular action button or notification that I used to apply on my videos. Is that okay? So when you come to this place, what you want to do is to go to overlay. All right, let's go and import a green background. That is the first we are going to use. Come to this place, come to this place, you can see overlay. Is that okay? So click on overlay, all right, so that you import the green background you want to use. Is that okay? Let's say we want to add the follow button somewhere here. All right, let me go to overlay. I'll click on overlay. Then you click on this place again. Sorry for that. All right, you click on this place, the plus button. I'll click on overlay. Then what I want to do right now is to search for the image I want to use. All right, I want to search, sorry, for the video I want to use. I already have a stock video that I want to use. All right, just wait a moment. Let me get the video I'll use for this. So this is the video. I'll click on it and select. All right, so this is the green background I want to use. I'll simply crop in. All right, you can see this is actually you can see it. All right, so once I have highlighted this green background that contains this like button, I'll come to, you scroll down. All right, come to remove background. All right, come to this place, click on this place. All right, click on it. Once you click on it, you just click on chroma key. You can see, click on chroma key. Then you want to select the green background, pick color. You can see we have selected the green background, so click on intensity. All right, click on here. After selecting the green background, make sure that the green background, that circle, if you move it, sorry for that, if you move it, you find out that the green background, move that round thing until it contain the green background. All right, then you click on intensity. If you click on intensity, you come to this line and drag it. All right, you can see the green background is off. Is that okay? Drag it until the green background is totally off, then you click on good. All right, you can hold and expand it. Put your 2 fingers on the screen and expand it to the height. You can put it at the top, you can put it anywhere you want to put it, but for the sake of this class, let me leave it at the top. Is that okay? Let's play it from the beginning. You have ever seen online. But before we go ahead, I would like you to note some certain instructions that will help you to achieve and have a flawless and click on share. All right, so number one is what the things you can see. If you watch this this action button we imported now, this is like 3-in-1. all right, it contain like, it contain follow, and it contains share. Is that okay? Everything, if you used to watch my videos, you find out that this is the exact notification that I use. All right, this is the exact notification that I use. Is that okay? So the next thing you want to do, let's do something. But before we go ahead, I would like you to note some certain, don't forget this thing now. I notice the volume is not too loud, so let me increase it. Before you increase, you highlight it and then go to volume. If you come down, you are going to see volume. Click on volume. You can either increase or reduce the volume of that particular button. All right, to note some certain instructions that will help you to achieve and have a flawless clothing. You can see that. So number one is wiping off. The things you actually need. All right, so that is it. You can, if you want to duplicate it, you can simply, as it is now, you can come here and click on copy. You know, it's now 2. The one is here, one is here. So this one, you can click on it and move it forward. All right, you can click on it and move it forward. All right, it's now 2. If you want to duplicate it again, you can highlight it and scroll down. You see copy, you copy again, you move it and keep sharing it until you are satisfied. All right, okay, so that is the first one. The second one I want to show you is how to add it from, so that even if you don't have this one now that I use, you can easily add it from this particular app. This app has some of the notification buttons. Is that okay? Let me show you how to do that one. So when you come to this place now, you come to test. All right, click on test. Let me show you. This is the second way to add notification buttons. Click on this test. All right, I'll click on test. The next thing you want to click on is this test template. You can see test templates. Click on test templates. All right, I'll click on test templates. All right, make sure that your data is on. Is that okay? If your data is not on, it's not going to open. So when you come to test template, all of these things are test template. Then the first one is favorites, the next one is trending, the next one is social media. You can see that this one is favorites, this one is trending, this one is social media. If you keep scrolling, you are going to see more. All right, you can see title, vlogging, and all of that. So let's click on social media and see, because what you are actually editing is for social media. So let's click on social media. When you click on social media, you are going to see something like subscribe. You're going to see something like you see share button. You see if you're on TikTok, all right, this is for TikTokers. This is also like, this subscribe, and several of them. This one is like and follow. You can see if you want the person to like and follow, you can use that. If you want to use this one, thank you for watching, leave a comment below. All right, so several of them. Is that okay? If you scroll down, you are going to see more. If you come to title, outro, outro. If you used to watch my video, you are going to see this. Subscribe and share. I used to do that, use that one. This one, don't forget to like and comment. You can see all of those things. All right, so let's just move straight and use the ones we can use for this video. All right, let's say I want to use this like. I'll simply click on it. Anyone you want to use, just click on it. Like I said earlier, make sure you have data. Make sure your data is on. So I'll click on it, drag it to my taste and drop it anywhere. All right, I'll click on good. Let's play. So you're welcome to this video. You can see the like button have just popped out. All right, just click and hold. Then let's go back to it again. Let's go back. Let's say I want to select share. I'll click on share. All right, it has appeared. All right, you can see that it has appeared. And if you want to make it longer than normal, you can still click on it and drag it forward. All right, once you drag it forward, it keep going. Is that okay? The longer you drag it, the longer it will stay on your screen. All right, let's go and see something else. I think that is enough for now. Okay, let's choose this one. Thank you. You can see this one usually come at the end of your video. At the end of your video, you just come to this place and say thank you. Click on good. You can see that thank you. Leave a comment below. All right, this is just simple how to add any kind of notification button to your videos. This particular app is full of those things. All right, come to this place. You can see share, you can see like. You go to title, you don't need this one. You come to vlog, you don't need it. Come to outro. If you come to outro, you can choose this. All right, I do use this. You can see this. Subscribe to watch more. All right, you can use this one. Don't forget to like and comment. Is that okay? If you go to chapters, you see more. You go to love. But all of these ones, we don't need them now. We don't need them. What we just need is these ones that I just showed you. Is that okay? So that is the end of this video. We are going to be ending this video here. Is that okay? I believe you have learned a lot from this video. All right, from what you have learned, you'll be able to add action buttons to your video, notification buttons, so that people can automatically subscribe to your channel, follow your page on Facebook and Instagram, like your video and share them even without you saying it. All right, it's important you also ask people, to your followers, to like and share your video. Is that okay? But these ones are very okay. People can easily follow you on your page and like your videos once they see all of these buttons. Is that okay? If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to also like this particular video, and if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below in the comment section. Let me know how this video has been of help to you. Is that okay? Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. All right, you can also check the description, or you check the comment section. You are going to see my WhatsApp number, so that you can send me a message on WhatsApp. If you have any question, you can drop that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.